As animals, plants also compete and coexist. Have you ever seen any plants with bare zones without allowing other plants to grow in around? This suppression of other plants may be due to the allelopathic interaction. Do you know what is allelopathy? It is a biological phenomenon in which biochemicals produced by an organism affect the growth and survival of other organisms. This is very common in plants. These biochemicals are called allelochemicals and can be used as alternative to synthetic herbicides. In here, we looked for potential donor plants for allelochemicals to develop as natural herbicides. In this study, we selected plants with prospective allelopathic activity in natural ecosystems based on field observations and literature records. We particularly interested in paddy-based ecosystems. This study was done in Colombo, Kalutara and Ratnapura districts. In here, species diversity and population density of weeds and herbs around the selected plants were recorded along the radii from the plant base at 1 meter, 2 meter and 3 meter distances. The control of this study was the plants with same habit in the same environment but without any weed exclusion. The data analysis consists of descriptive statistics and correlation analysis. In this study, 17 out of 40 plant species showed an interesting allelopathic interaction pattern. The weeds and herbs underneath of these plants were significantly suppressed. This graph indicated weed density at different lengths from the base of each plant species. For instance, look at A3. So if you look at A16 and A17 up to 3 meter level, there is a very high suppression on weed growth. Similarly, you look at A4 and A5, they showed very high suppression closer to the plant base. So, this graph gives you a clear idea how weed excluded towards the base of the plants as weed density decreases towards the plant base. The next graph indicates weed species diversity with different lengths from the plant root. As density diversity increases away from the root. But in some cases, as A10 and A11, when the density increases away from the root, diversity dropped. Finally, my conclusion is this study led to identify some potential donor plants for allelopathic interaction. It provided a strong basis to develop a eco-friendly weedicide and open for future studies.